Baba, you are so intelligent. You have so much of brains. You can do all the problems given the textbook. All the teachers praise you so much. You are so intelligent. Please, can you help me solving these puzzles? Please, Baba, please help me. Actually, what happened is that I tried, but I don't have that much of brains now. I mean, I cannot solve these puzzles. Please, but I know you can do it. You are so intelligent. You are so clever. You scored so well. Everybody praises you so much. You are so smart. And the other day I went to the library and she was standing there behind the door. She thought nobody is there, but I was there. I mean, she couldn't see me now. She was talking on mobile, and all the private things she was speaking. I can tell you all the things. I know everything. But you will have to make a promise that you won't tell all these things. Not that I told you all these things. Okay? And I can also buy you a coffee. Baba, please help me. You are so intelligent. Okay? So this video is special. We have completed 1000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. You will see our 1000 subscriber in this video. You will come to know that why Kushal Educare Services is known as Kushal Educare Services. I mean, from where I got this word Kushal and what is the significance of Kushal in Kushal Educare Services. And then there is a motivation. I mean, sometimes what happens is that we are passing through difficult phase in our life. It happens with everybody. So when we are there, we are in such a difficult phase. I mean, when there's intense grief, sorrow, distress, I mean, we require some sort of counseling. We require some support, some love, and some sort of encouragement. So for that purpose, you will see a small video clip in this video. And then another is that there's a brand new exciting way of learning the concept of mathematics, puzzles. So it is a brand new concept how to learn mathematics, how to build upon your concepts of mathematics. So that I'm going to introduce in this video. And then lastly, there will be some of the important exclusive benefits for our patrons. So all of these things you will see in this video. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers and all the people out there who have supported me, who have encouraged me thus far, and I expect the same sort of, I request you people to support and encourage and shower your love and support and blessings for Kushal Educare Services. It is very much required, and I am very happy that we have completed 1000 subscribers. So now, as I have said before, that you will see our 1000 subscriber in this video. So let me show you who is our 1000 subscriber. Okay, so that was our 1000 subscriber Jeetu from Bangalore. And now let me tell you that why Kushal Educare Services is known as Kushal Educare Services. I mean, what's the significance of the word Kushal?
Hello, I am Kushaldeep Saxena. I study in class 4 ICMS Mahanagar, Lucknow. Thank you.
Okay, so now it must be clear that why Kushal Educare Services is called as Kushal Educare Services. Kushal is my son, and on his name I call this channel as Kushal Educare Services. So now let me come to the very important part. That sometimes, as I was saying before, that we are going through emotionally, it is a very emotional turmoil, emotionally very challenging phase in our life. It happens with everybody. At some point or the other, we are emotionally very stressed. We are distressed. There is intense grief, and there is a lot of emotional turmoil in our life. For example, let us say that your some near or dear one has expired. Let us take example, or let us take a more practical. What happens in our everyday life is that, for example, let us say your friend, he or she takes you to a bar. Okay, now this is, I assume that you are 18 plus. For that, I am saying that. Suppose there is some 18 plus person, and his or her friend takes him or her to bar, and after 2-3 drinks, they will incite you to speak out your secrets. And because you are under intoxication, you have taken 2-3 drinks, you speak out your secrets. And the next day, that your friend, he or she, he goes to your boss or manager and tells everything about you. Now you feel at that point of time, you feel cheated. Of course your boss will call you and he or she will shout at you, and your vacation might be cancelled, your increment might be put on hold, something like that, and at that point of time you feel cheated, you feel dejected, you are frustrated, you are depressed, and there's a lot of emotional turmoil. Or another situation is that, for example, your boyfriend or girlfriend has cheated you. I mean, he or she has ditched you, and what happens is that previously she was singing these love songs for you, and later on she might threaten you with dire consequences. I mean, she might say to you that if you appear again, or if you try to meet me, then you will have to face dire consequences. I mean, this is just an example. I'm saying that at that point of time you feel dejected, you require some sort of encouragement, you require counseling, you require support. This is very, very important. These difficult phases come in everybody's life. That is a part and parcel of life. So how I made this clip, you see, my mother is a kidney patient. She requires dialysis. So every Tuesday I am taking her to a hospital, and while I am waiting outside, I mean in the hospital where she goes for dialysis, on the walls they have placed some pictures, photographs for education purpose. I mean, very good, and some motivational also they have placed, and on standees they have placed some big banners to educate the people how to be safe, how to avoid these diseases, heart disease, kidney disease, and some motivational pictures also they have placed. So one picture, I was very much impressed, and I always go there and I read and reread it. I mean, it is a sort of inspiration. So that pic I have when I went last Tuesday to hospital, I clicked a pic of it, and using that pic I have made this. That was the motivation I wanted to give to all the viewers. I wanted to share it that whenever you are passing through difficult phase or challenging phase in your life, please always remember the short video clip that you saw just now. So now coming to the exciting part, there's a brand new concept which I am introducing. This is a brand new concept of teaching and learning mathematics. Traditional way is that you solve textbook, you solve the problems, you solve a large variety of problems. When you are solving a large variety of problems, you automatically you start thinking mathematically. So that is one way. It is good. I am not saying it is bad. It is good. But the point is that it works for some of the students. It not works for all the students. Large number of students. So what I want to say is that I have introduced a new concept. I have designed some puzzles. These puzzles will help you to understand mathematics and build upon your concepts. So I hope you will enjoy them. So let us solve the puzzles and learn the mathematics in an exciting new manner. Okay, so as far as puzzles are concerned, there are two versions, I will say. One is what I call free version. Free version means that the version which we'll upload on YouTube. We'll make a video of it, of the puzzle, and we'll upload on the YouTube. And second is the version which is available exclusively for our patrons at our Patreon page. So there are some exclusive benefits for them. As far as the free version is concerned, let me tell you that you won't be able to see the entire grid. You will be seeing a particular row or a particular column at a time. And then at patreon.com, if you are accessing these puzzles, there will be some exclusive benefits. Now, what are the exclusive benefits? First is, of course, that you will be able to see the entire grid. You can download it, you can take a printout of it, and you can solve them. When you are having the entire grid, what happens is that sometimes there are some connecting alphabets. For example, you are having one across clue is there and one clue for down, and they are intersecting. So at that point of time, there is some connecting alphabet. When you are having an entire grid, then what happens is that the connecting alphabet forms an extra hint or an extra clue. So that extra clue you won't be able to get in the YouTube version, the free version. Second is of course that you are getting this entire grid. You can take a printout of it. You can practice it again and again as many times as you want. So that is one thing. Another thing is that solution of the crossword puzzle. So that is available exclusively for our patrons at patreon.com. And third is that they will be getting the basic theory, or let us say notes based on the puzzle. So these are some of the exclusive benefits. One is the entire grid you will be able to see. You can download it. You can take a printout of it, and then there will be solution of the crossword puzzle for the patrons on our Patreon page, and also the notes. So that was the exclusive benefit for patrons. Now let us start solving the puzzle. Okay, so let us start with the free version. It is the YouTube version. So this is the grid as I was showing you. So let us start playing. I mean, please be ready with your pen and paper and do it as we are as you get here the clues. I mean, this video is not just for watching, it is for doing. So please get involved. Please sit with your pen and paper. And yes, one thing is that in case you are not clear, you have not studied or revised your geometry concept, then first please revise your geometry concept, then only do this puzzle. Okay, so let's play. Basically that's the first. Okay, so first is that across range is 1 to 15. Okay, so that means whenever you see some number which is less than 15 or less than 15, it means that you have to fill across. For example, in a particular block you are getting a number 18, then do not try to fill it across. You have to fill it down because it is greater than 15. Okay, so now next is that row numbers are from top to down. For example, for patterns I am saying that you take a printout and then you try to do it like this. Then it will not be proper because row will become column. You have to take it in this printout like this. Okay, and top to down. Top to down means that first row is, then second row, third row. The usual way what you read. Do not try to fill it from down to top. In this grid, row number 1, it will be flashed on the screen. You can see row number 1 for across. You have to fill keywords. You will get 2 clues. Across clue number 1. For across clue number 1, there are 7 blocks to be filled. Okay, I am saying all this for the benefit of the people who are watching it on YouTube. Patrons can anyway they download. They can download and they can fill it. For YouTube free version, I am telling you, for across clue number 1, there are 7 blocks, and one hint is given. The 4th letter should be L. Okay, and your clue is for first clue across 3 unequal arms. 3 unequal arms. I will give you 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, so now in the first row itself, you have to fill the keyword for 4th clue. Okay. So for the 4th one, you are having 6 blocks, and you are having hint letter. The second letter is B. And 6th letter is E, and the 4th clue is lives alone in a triangle. Okay, lives alone in a triangle. So now fill the keyword. For the second row, you have to fill keyword for 9th across. Okay, number of blocks are 13. For the hint is that 6th letter should be I and 10th letter should be E, and the 9th clue is you have to fill in one word for square, rhombus and parallelogram. For square, rhombus and parallelogram, you have to fill one word. Okay. Row number 3, third row, you have to fill keyword for 8th across. There are 7 alphabets, and the hint is that second alphabet is E and 6th alphabet is A. Okay, and the clue is all my arms are equal. Now think and fill the keyword. Then in the 4th row you can see across the clue, you have to fill the keyword for across 3. There are 6 blocks and the second alphabet should be E, fourth alphabet should be I. Okay, and the clue is from vertex to opposite midpoint. From vertex to opposite midpoint. So think and fill. Fifth row, you have to fill across clue keyword for 14. Number of blocks are 8. Hint letter is A. The third letter should be A. And your clue is the largest chord. The largest chord. Okay, fill the keyword. See the number of blocks, fill it. Then in the 6th row there is no across keyword. In the 7th row across clue 15. Number of blocks 6 and the hint letter is L. The second alphabet should be L and fifth alphabet should be E. And your clue is larger chord is dash, fill in the blank. Larger chord is dash to center. Larger chord is dash to center. You have to fill in the blank. For the 8th row, across clue second. Okay, you have to fill the keyword for second. Number of blocks are 5. There are 5 blocks to be filled. And there is no hint letter. There is no hint letter given, and the clue is 9 AM triangle. 9 AM triangle. So you have to correlate 9 AM triangle, count the number of blocks and fill it. 9 AM triangle. Next is row number 9. Across clue for keyword for 6th. Number of blocks are 3 and the hint letter is S. The third alphabet should be S. And the clue is congruent but not similar. Okay, congruent but not similar. Row number 10, there is no across. 11, there is no across. 12, there is no across. Row number 13, you have to fill keyword for across clue 10. Number 10, number of blocks 5. And the fourth character, the fourth block should be a backslash. Okay, fourth character should be a backslash. And your clue is for a regular polygon each exterior angle is. For a regular polygon each exterior angle is. So you have to think and fill the. Then for row number 14 there is no across. For row number 15 you have to fill the keyword for across clue number 7. There are 6 blocks and the hint letters are the second alphabet should be O, sixth alphabet should be X, and the clue is all members less than 10 times the legal voting age. All members are less than 10 times the legal voting age. Okay. Then next is row number 16. You have to fill the keyword for across 13. 5 blocks and the third alphabet should be capital U. Okay, and The clue is area of parallelogram and a rectangle on same base and between same parallel lines. I repeat, area of parallelogram and a rectangle on same base and between same parallel lines. Now row number 17, there is no across keyword. Row number 18, across clue number 5. Number of blocks are 8. Fourth alphabet should be L, sixth alphabet should be D, and eighth alphabet should be D. So there should be 2 D's, 6th and 8th, and 1 L at 4th position. So number of blocks 8, and the clue is in SAS, the A is, in SAS, A is. Next, row number 19, you have to fill the keyword for across clue 11. 7 blocks. Third alphabet should be E and sixth alphabet should be E. Both third and sixth alphabet should be E. And the clue is greater the number of sides, dash the measure of interior angles. Greater the number of sides, dash the measure of interior angles. Okay. Then last row number 20, you have to fill the keyword for across clue 12. There are 13 blocks. Fourth alphabet is A and seventh alphabet should be E. And your clue is give one word for square, rhombus and rectangle. Give one word for square, rhombus and rectangle. So that is for the across. Now let us move on to the down. You have to fill the down keywords. Okay. So now let us start for the down keywords. Okay. So you will be seeing now again. First, let me tell you the down range is from 16 to 30. 16 to 30. So whenever you are seeing a number that is 16 or greater than 16, then you have to fill down. Do not try to fill across, then you cannot do it. Okay. And column numbers are from left to right. So that is again important. For example, you are having this grid like this. Okay. So when I say column number 1, it means we are talking of this column, not of this column. If you try to fill 1, 2, 3 from right to left, then it will be wrong. You have to fill from left to right. Okay. The traditional way of reading. So this will be column number 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you have to do. Okay. So now you will be seeing column number 1. In column number 1, you have there are 2 down clues. Number 17, the number of blocks 7. The third alphabet should be O, sixth alphabet should be U, and the clue is diagonals not equal but sides are equal. So then in the first column itself, you have to fill the keyword. The next keyword is for down 30. Number of blocks 6. And second alphabet should be E, fourth alphabet should be A. And the clue is intersects at 2 distinct points. Intersects at 2 distinct points. So I mean you have to correlate this clue with the number of blocks and fill it. The next is column number 2. Down clue number 27. Number of blocks 5. The second character should be a backslash and fourth character should be D1. You will be able to see on the screen what is D1. 1 is in subscript. And the clue is area of a rhombus. So this is easy one, isn't it? Area of rhombus. You can easily do it. Then anyway, now the third column from left to right, down clue number 24. There are 9 blocks. Fourth alphabet should be I, eighth alphabet should be E, and the clue is at 3 o'clock you can call the minute and hour ends. At 3 o'clock you can call the minute and hour hands. So imagine a wall clock, 3 o'clock, and what can you call the minute and hour hands? So that is what you have to fill. Column number 4, there is no down clue. Column number 5, down clue number 21. Number of blocks 8. Third alphabet should be I, and the clue is simplest polygon. Simplest polygon. So you should know what is a polygon and then what is the simplest polygon. Fill it. Isn't it easy? The next is 6th column, no down clue. 7th column, down clue number 29. There are 11 blocks. 4th alphabet should be I, 6th alphabet also I. Okay? And the clue is equal chords are from center. Equal chords are from center. Again, I think it is an easy one. You can easily do. Column number 8. There are 2 down clues. Number 28. There are 4 blocks. Third alphabet should be S. And your clue is perpendicular bisector of a chord dash the center. Fill in the blank. I repeat. Perpendicular bisector of a chord dash the center. Okay? And then in the same column, 8th column, the 25th down clue. There are 3 blocks to be filled. Second alphabet should be a cross. Okay, cross, or you can say X or a cross. Okay? And your clue is area of a parallelogram. Again, very simple, very easy. Area of a parallelogram. Just fill it. Then 9th column, there is no down clue. 10th column, down clue for number 16. 8 blocks. Second alphabet should be E, 6th alphabet should be O, and 8th alphabet should be D. And the clue is distance to vertex is double the distance to opposite midpoint. I repeat, distance to vertex is double the distance to opposite midpoint. Okay? Next is 11th column, no down clue for 12th, down clue for 26th, number of blocks 7, third alphabet should be E, sixth alphabet should be L, and the clue is area of a triangle is dash, area of a parallelogram on same base and between same parallel lines. So you have to fill in the blank. Area of a triangle is dash, area of a parallelogram on same base and between same parallel lines. Then column number 13, no down clue. Column number 14, you have to fill down keyword for number 23, 9 blocks. Fifth alphabet should be A, and the clue is diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Then column number 15, there is no down keyword. Column number 16, you have to fill the down keyword for number 18. There are 11 blocks to be filled. Fifth alphabet should be O and eighth alphabet should be N. Okay, and your perpendiculars drawn on the three sides meet at. Perpendiculars drawn on the three sides meet at. Seventeenth column, down clue for number 19. There are 9 blocks. Third alphabet should be O, eighth alphabet should be E, and the clue is two hands are equal. Two hands are equal. That's the clue. You have to fill the keyword. And then in the 17th column itself, there is another down keyword for number 22. 6 blocks you have to fill. Third alphabet should be U, and the clue is rhombus whose interior angles are right angles. Rhombus whose interior angles are right angles. Next, column number 18, there is no keyword for down. Column number 19, you have to fill the keyword for down to number 20. There are 11 blocks. Fifth alphabet should be I, seventh alphabet also I, and ninth alphabet should be E. And the clue is only straight lines are allowed. Only straight lines are allowed. Okay? So I hope you must have enjoyed today's crossword puzzle. I mean, very soon we'll upload another puzzle. So this is an exciting new way we're able to fill it. How you feel about this new concept? I hope you will really, you must have enjoyed, and you must have been able to really appreciate this effort. Okay, so please do write in comment your feelings, how you feel. Please do share and like our videos, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you.